I'm back again with another video, and as you can see from the title, I'm doing a 5 hairstyles, I guess, that you can do with straight hair. So this is my hair right now. I'm gonna show you guys the back. That's my hair so far, and I'm basically gonna show you guys different styles that you can do while it's straight. So before I get into the video, please like, comment, and just bro, I can't even speak. Like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I do a video. So let's get started. Have it, guys. 5 easy hairstyles that you can do on straight natural hair. And if you guys want me to do any more of these videos, just comment in the description box. Sorry guys, in the description box below so I can do more videos for you guys. And yeah, that's the end of the video. So thank you for watching. Bye.